Yeah, you're definitely not getting hit with one of these.
Not getting hit?
No.
No?
No.
Ooh. Defend yourself.
See, that's what they expected you to do.
Oh. You're going to whack me, aren't you?
Yeah.
When I don't expect it?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Did you expect that?
You ever seen a prop comic you actually liked?
Oh. That Gallagher guy is funny.
He's dead.
Is he?
Yeah, for a while.
Did a prop kill him?
No, his heart.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's the saddest prop of all.
To the valley! To the valley!
Okay.
Feeling very Star Warsy.
Now, there was a video that went viral. I remember that kid who was all like, and the internet just, well, they drug him. Drug him. It's probably the smart thing to do.
Let's talk plumbing.
First off, they don't think they ever saw the table I built, did they?
Yeah. We have a video of building the table.
We videoed that?
Uh-huh.
Oh. Table's still here. It's working great. Solid. Happy about this table.
How much did that just shift?
No, it was solid.
Yeah, because Kirk builds things.
Solid things.
Solid things.
What do you got there?
Oh, yeah. Should we show them the iterations of our shower before? Once upon a time, Kirk bought
I bought that.
a bag.
It's solar. It's supposed to give you a hot shower.
I don't understand how it was. I've never understood how this thing was solar.
I never used it. I couldn't tell you.
Oh, it's got a temperature thing.
It's solar.
Is that what made it solar?
I don't know. I bought it on Amazon. It may not have actually ever been solar. Maybe, I bet, you know what? I bet there was something that went in there.
That we
was
lost.
Yeah.
And then my son bought me this for Christmas. I bet it's still got
That we actually used.
This has worked great. This is kind of our backup shower. Still works. Least expected.
You were saying?
Are you going to do it again? All right. Yeah. Okay. Lost my train of thought. We're talking about showers.
Shower.
This has been great, but we used it with a 5-gallon bucket.
Mm-hmm.
Like this.
Yep. Looks like those.
And it only lasted, like you had to rush through the shower.
I only ever used like a gallon. You do like the military shower, you get wet. I don't think I ever even soaped. I just rinsed off when it was really hot, sweaty, and dirty. And
anyway,
sawdust.
We wanted a better solution. More water. You could take a long, proper shower. And that's what the bathhouse was, or is supposed to be, right? So the bathhouse is, that's where we built the shower. So last year, was it last year? Yeah, it was before the winter. I plumbed the big buckets and the shower, which we'll show you in a second. I didn't think that it was...
You didn't think?
I didn't think.
Very accurate.
I was being quite the idiot. You know, we're out here in the woods. We don't come out here more than once a month or so.
Once or twice a month.
A couple weeks, whatever. The water in the system froze and all the pipes exploded. Because I'm an idiot.
Catastrophic.
Yeah, it was catastrophic. So, I have bought bits and pieces to remake the shower. The other thing was we got one of those Life Straw filters.
You're fine. Keep going.
That was supposed to be filtering our water from the creek. Worked great, but it was super slow. This is going to replace that. This is a giant 5-stage filter that we got off Amazon.
Show them.
Yeah. The unboxing. Look at this guy.
It's so shiny.
It goes all the way down to 0.1 microns.
What's a micron?
1/millionth of an inch,
Okay.
I think.
Uh-huh.
Or
You think it's inches? You think microns go with inches, not millimeters or centimeters?
gosh, I don't know.
You're doing great.
It's a very small measurement.
Let's do some plumbing.
Anyway, so I'm very excited about this because this means we'll be able to pull water straight from the creek, and it's got a high flow rate, 1 liter per minute, I think.
Mm-hmm. But a micron's on inches.
Well, inches and minutes don't.
Minutes? What about liters?
Who said anything about liters?
You did.
When?
You said it's 1 liter per minute.
Yeah, in inches. Anyway, so that goes there. It's metal, isn't it shiny?
It's very shiny.
Okay. Plumbing is always an adventure because you just never know what you need.
Shouldn't this come with everything we need?
Gosh, you would think so. Instructions. I mean, come on. Who needs that?
There's only a few parts.
Okay. It's only a few parts. He hasn't seen the bucket.
Did it come with filters? Are those?
I
are those
hope
full?
so. Gosh.
You would be the idiot that would buy a filter that doesn't come with filters.
Man, now I gotta check.
Yeah, you sure do.
There's a tool. It's right there. That you're supposed to use to take the filters out. This. Yes.
Filter. I bet somewhere it says every time you open it, you have to replace the gasket.
Oh, that sucks.
You know what that does? Microns. Yes.
Who knows?
I don't like that tool. Don't make it so hard you can't get it off.
Water comes in here, goes out there.
You sure?
No, not even a little.
I hope that's wrong.
I got all the parts and pieces to fix the shower. I got extra line, which I'm going to hook up to this guy.
Uh-huh.
And this is going to go real low
Uh-huh.
and hook up to the garden hose, which is going to hook up to the pump,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
which is then going to go into the filter, which is then going to fill up the buckets,
Oh!
which is then going to, what? What's the problem?
Oh, wait, no. I was thinking we were going to have to drag a generator over there, but no, we can just we have enough extension cords to get over there.
Did we?
I thought we did. To run the pump, we need power.
Power!
Uh-huh.
I got the power.
I think we can get over there with extension cords.
I think we have before.
I think we have.
Ooh, have we gotten all the way to the creek, though?
Yeah, we had plenty of slack when we did it.
See if you can get this gasket in here.
In?
Yeah. It is the right gasket.
It's the right gasket.
It is the right gasket. I know it's the right gasket.
And Chinese companies on Amazon never give you the wrong stuff.
That's from Home Depot. All American, baby.
Yeah.
I did it. I did it. I love that. This came with the filter. This I bought at Home Depot, and I matched the size correctly. Yeah.
I would like all the plumbers who watch us to get in the comments and tell them what an idiot he is for being proud of that.
What do you think?
Let's get started. Let's see how we can muck this up.
I've already started.
Yeah, I like how you took it all out. Now you got to figure out how to get it all over there without losing anything.
My tool.
Yeah, donkey.
Okay. I hear it, I just don't see it.
When this is done, we'll be able to fill up the toilet again and not have to walk down to the creek.
Oh yeah. That was the other cool thing about the plumbing on this was
It
it fills up the toilet.
is this here?
That's Brandon's.
Yeah, why is it in here? Oh, why is it full of water?
Because we're crap builders. Everything leaks. Oh, thank God.
What?
So I couldn't remember if I had brought this or not, or if I'd left this here the last time. And without this, none of this project wasn't happening. This cuts PVC. Is that moss? Look at this.
Uh-huh.
Did that grow there?
No, it had to. I bet a critter was making a home.
Crazy. Okay.
If I get attacked by a raccoon and fall down, make sure it's in frame.
It's your pet raccoon.
People want a pet raccoon. I'm worried about getting attacked by something right now. That's concerning.
Why?
Well, little bits of foam about that big, just scattered under the bed.
That's probably a
Rat.
pack rat or something. Well, we've officially discovered another one of Kirk's phobias. Apparently, he doesn't like rats.
Neither did Indiana Jones.
I thought he didn't like snakes.
That's true too.
The third bucket, the one that's sitting on top, is probably going away if it'll fit through this hole. This hose is going to get hooked up down lower. Bucket. Plumbing.
I don't like rats.
Owie. Oh, I'm getting old. That was my knee.
And you didn't bring a trash bag like I asked.
My hands were full.
You had a bucket.
That's a good point. Why don't you go get your trash can?
No, I'm gonna take down the tent.
Okay. You take down the tent. I'm gonna work on this.
Okay. And I'll see if I can get you power.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna need power. I got the power.
No singing. No, especially in high pitched tones.
He's just jealous. Why are you dripping? I didn't plan what parts I needed. I just bought a bunch of stuff, but it's working out great. Oh, there's more plumbing parts in here. Okay. Oh, and there's duct tape. I love duct tape. I did not buy this piece, but I needed it and I had it.
I figured something like that might happen.
It was the only piece, I think. I hope. But I hooked it all up, I dry fit everything, and I had the shower ready, right?
Yeah.
And I'm looking at it, and there's nothing going this direction, and I'm going, why doesn't that look? Oh no. Tell you what, I'm gonna need a shower after working in here.
Yeah.
Friggin' sauna.
Yeah.
Kirk said it's lunchtime. So we're gonna go eat some lunch and then finish the plumbing.
Hope you like char.
Okay. Shower is replumbed.
Huzzah!
Yeah. Shit!
Spilled some water.
This was the filter. This was the filter that we were using. You can get it from and glad we bought a new one because that one just broke. This bucket still has water in it, so I'm gonna try to just push it that way. Because we don't need this.
I'll do that.
Okay. There's crickets. Oh, there's a lot of crickets. There's an uncomfortable amount of crickets up here. I think the filter should go right there. There is a comical amount of humidity up here. It is almost unbearable. Really? Good catch. Hey,
Yeah.
I need you to go outside and catch this hose.
Catch the what?
Hose.
Where are you throwing?
You'll see it. Thank you.
The screws that hold my engine cover on are missing.
What?
not use my chainsaw. I don't know.
That's a weird one.
Yeah,
Hey, you gotta take care of your tools, bro.
I'm going to.
This whole system is a result of not knowing what we're doing. Like this is it's starting to feel silly. But that shower is gonna feel so good tonight. It's like we know just enough. We're almost there. That connector. Oh, way up to there is where the water is going to come from with the pump down there. Kirk's cutting the shower window. Let's go see. Oh boy. You okay?
This is not a one. We're not role models on this one.
Yeah. Yeah, we have a sawzall.
That's separate. I'm probably gonna need it though. You know what's gonna happen now. Ah! It's not cut enough for that. Nope, need more cutting. You can go the saws off.
Last step of the shower process is to get the pump actually going. Hey, where are you? Never mind. So we're gonna take that pump. We're gonna stick it in this creek. Preferably on a rock and not sucking up sediment. How about right there? I like it. Okay. Do like this creek. Just gotta make sure we're plugged in. Which we are. All we gotta do now is turn the generator on. Let's make Kirk do that. That way I can pretend like I'm standing over there to make sure it's working.
Got sawdust in my eyes.
Oh,
Out of it.
you okay, Pumpkin?
Nope. In the shower.
Will you turn the generator on while I stand over there? Make sure nothing goes wrong. You ever clean your glasses and you just make them dirtier? That's what I just did. Oh, it's working. All right. Now I gotta go check up top. I guess when those bubbles stop, water should start coming out. That's gonna take a while. It's not a pet, dude.
Oh, he's gonna get in your backpack. He is getting in your backpack.
There's nothing in there.
There's never been food in there. That's weird.
No, I think I shouldn't feed him, right?
No.
I want a piece of fruit.
No, bud.
But freeze the skeet, salt, and pepper, and a lot of it. Okay, those are gonna have to go for a minute. I'm gonna try the sand sauce first. Whoa, 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 whoa! Introduce the burger. Okay, what have you done? What I have done. Oyster mushrooms, bacon, hickory smoked, Colby Jack cheese, 2 slices, shallots, giant shallot like that, sliced, cooked in all the bacon fat, cowboy burgers with bacon and seasoning in the burger, brioche bun with some truffle aioli for those who would like it for custom. Going hard in the paint. You want to think it? Yeah. Burger cheese. Oh God. That's heavenly. From the moment my mouth touched it, I knew that was the best burger I'd ever had. Holy crap. I'm going to crave this. That's ridiculous. And a fried egg. Can't forget the fried eggs. You're the best cook I know. That's a special burger. Yeah. Half-pound patty. Though, like, this is going to take some doing. Wow. That's unreal. Good job. Holy crap. To you, my friend. To you, and the best burger I've ever had. What a weekend. It was a good weekend. Glad you guys made it. Yeah. We've got big plans coming up. Hopefully we can start making more progress like we did this weekend. Every weekend like this, we'll have Gavin and us up. For sure. But hope to see you next time here on Two Idiots in the Valley. Take care of yourself.
All right, that's all you get.